Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be looking at split liability compensation claims and what exactly they are. If you've been involved in an accident that may be classed as split liability, I'll also be giving you some completely free advice to help strengthen your claim that you'll be able to take away straight from this video. If you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. We know from experience that a number of people assume that if a person is held responsible or partly responsible for a road traffic accident, that they're unable to bring a claim for compensation. Whilst this is true if you are completely to blame for the accident happening, it's not always the case if you're partly to blame. These types of cases are called split liability cases. Now, you may be wondering, with a 50-50 insurance claim, who pays for what? Or you may believe that you weren't at fault and you're wondering how to fight a 50-50 insurance claim as you wish to dispute 50-50 insurance claim. For split liability cases, we highly recommend that you speak to a personal injury claim specialist, as they'll be able to answer any questions you have regarding your case. The good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free consultation where we'll talk through your accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can contact us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. If we believe that we're able to assist you with your claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. Now, as promised in the introduction to this video, I'm going to go over a couple of things that you can do which should help to strengthen your claim. With split liability claims, it is essential to be able to effectively show your version of events. You should take as many photographs at the scene of the accident as possible, including photographs of every vehicle involved in the accident as well as their registration plates. If you notice that anybody witnessed the accident, speak to them and ask them for their contact details, as a statement may need to be taken in support of your split liability claim. You should also speak to all of the other drivers involved in the accident and get their names and insurance details. You should also have your injuries assessed by a medical professional and make a note of both when and where this assessment took place, as knowing this will make getting hold of any medical records in support of your case much easier. Our final tip is to ensure that you keep track of all expenses that you've incurred because of the accident. This can include, but is by no means limited to, travel expenses for trips made in relation to the accident, any medical treatment or assessment costs, any loss of income from time off work that you've had to take because of the accident injuries, and any care costs. Now, once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find useful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same. And whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.